Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RDGL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. You said this yesterday, and it essentially applies to today's video too. Update's probably not the right word. Definitely another case of confirmation. What do I mean by that? Well, confirmation of the levels that I've talked about the past couple of days, specifically these green and red lines. And the green line, which I've talked about as being a level of support, once again at 0.025 has been confirmed as a level of support. You can see several times today, like past days, the bears try to press down through that level, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls have done a great job of holding strong. So there are clearly still plenty of buyers hanging around down around 0.025. On the flip side of things, though, there's also still plenty of sellers hanging around right up here around the 3-cent mark, because as I've talked about in past videos, that's been the area of resistance. And sure enough, early afternoon, the price got, or I should say late afternoon, the price got right up around that area and once again was rejected. So am I saying that the price can't, break through 3 cents? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story of the chart, the bulls really are going to need to bring their A game if they're going to be able to fight through that level up there, because it's very stubborn. On the flip side, though, apparently the bears are really going to need to bring their A game if they're going to be able to push down through that green line, because that's certainly been a key level of support. Also, don't forget about the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. As you can see right now, it is crossing up above that level of support. So preferably speaking, sure, stay above that purple line. But even if the price does drop below the purple line, it's still really a matter of 0.025. So if you want to just kind of the Cliff Notes version here, all you got to really tell a friend if they're wondering about the chart is, hey, RDGL on the 30-minute time frame is in a channel pattern, a sideways channel pattern. And that's really that until something happens, quote unquote, either being a breakout to the upside or a breakdown to the downside. Really not much else can be said. It's totally a wait and see pattern. So yeah, we'll have to see how this one plays out tomorrow and closes out the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.